What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Puma RS Connect Lazer in the Vaporous Gray and Energy Blue colorway. First off, I want to give a huge shout out over to Puma Canada for sending me over this pair. And to be honest, this is my first Puma shoe in a long time, but honestly, this one was pretty impressive. So these guys retail for a price of 110 US dollars or 130 Canadian, and this is a relatively new silhouette, which has a very sleek and aerodynamic feel to it. So diving straight into the details, on the toe box, the base layer here is covered in mesh, and overlaid on top we have a combination of synthetic suede, which is this light gray or white colored overlay, which sort of feels like felt in hand. And then on the sides, this blue overlay, this is genuine suede. You'll see we have Puma running system branding stamped on the lateral side, and then underneath this, there's this dark gray fuse overlay. On the midfoot of both the lateral side and medial side, we have the shape of the signature Puma stripe, but this is outlined in this aqua colored TPU. And hanging off the edge on the lateral side, we have RS branding. Covering the eyelets, we have this white colored leather, and then beneath this, we have this dark gray colored nylon. And on the bottom, we have a combination of this yellow colored mesh, along with this bright red colored synthetic suede. Wrapping around the bottom of the back heel, we have more of that gray colored nylon, and then overlaid on top, we have this black colored genuine suede with Puma branding pressed on top. And then underneath this, we have this bright red colored mesh. For the laces, these come with these rope style laces, which intertwine through the leather eyelets. And then underneath this, the tongue is constructed out of mesh on the bottom half, and the top half is padded and covered in this gray colored nylon. And at the very top, there's this black colored suede pull tab as well. If you look at the inside of the shoe, you'll see how the tongue is also connected to the body of the shoe, so this helps give the shoe more that one-to-one snug fit. For the insole is lined in this yellow color on the very top, and we have Puma and running system branding stamped on the heel in black. And if I flip the insole over to the other side, you'll see that instead of your traditional foam, it's done in more of a gel-like fashion. And I gotta say, this insole felt pretty comfortable on foot. So the upper of the shoe sits atop this full-length polyurethane foam midsole. This midsole has this very sculpted, very dynamic look to it, and it incorporates Puma's running system or RS cushioning technology. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, the outsole here is entirely constructed out of a black colored rubber. The traction pattern, to be honest, is a little bit minimal than I would have expected, and underneath the heel, we have this blue colored rubber with running system branding on it. So for those wondering how these fit, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. Puma Canada sent me these guys in a size 10, and I gotta say they fit me pretty much true to size. If I'm nitpicking, then maybe there's a little bit extra room in the toe box, but I didn't really mind the extra space. Honestly, true to size worked perfectly, and that's what I would recommend. Moving on to the topic of comfort, so overall this shoe was very comfortable. So first off, the upper of the shoe predominantly being mesh, this felt very lightweight and very breathable, and the polyurethane foam midsole, this really stole the show. So from the moment I put these on feet, right away the step-in comfort is amazing. They feel very cushioned, very responsive and lightweight, and with each step you can really feel that foam compressing under your foot, but at the same time bouncing back, giving you that energy return. So for a casual use shoe, this pair was very comfortable. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so material quality wise, I was kind of split. So there is a lot of synthetic materials on this shoe, and like I said before, the synthetic suede really felt like felt. However, they did incorporate genuine suede, which was a nice added touch, and from an overall craftsmanship standpoint, all in all, my pair was pretty much flawless. I had no real issues with this pair, so a real solid job from Puma. With all that being said, now let's lace up these RS Connect Lazers, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, if you're looking for a very accessible shoe that's decently priced and very comfortable, then I would easily recommend this pair. Like I said from the start, I'm not too familiar with Puma shoes. I don't really own too many in my collection, but this pair honestly was pretty impressive. Its appearance has this really chunky dad shoe look to it, but wearing them on feet, it couldn't be further from the truth. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Puma RS Connect Lazer. What are your overall thoughts on the design of this shoe? Is this something you guys are feeling and something you would rock, or is it a pass for you? If you guys enjoyed this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another huge shout out goes out to Puma Canada. Thank you so much for hooking me up with this pair. And until next time, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.